this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the surface area of a square pyramid. So here we have a picture of a pyramid, and the bottom base can either be a square or a rectangle. So imagine when you are trying to find the surface area of a square or rectangular pyramid. Imagine that every single side, every single surface of this pyramid you want to cover with wrapping paper. And the amount of wrapping paper that is needed to cover all the sides would represent the surface area. So let's take a look at an example. Actually, before that, let's take a look at the formula. So here's the same picture of our pyramid. And so the formula for surface area is SA equals capital B plus capital P times L divided by 2. So let's look at what each variable represents. SA represents surface area. Capital B represents the area of the square or the rectangular base. Capital P is going to be the perimeter of the square or the rectangular base. And this L is called the slant height, which is this length right here. Now let's look at an example. So let's see if we can fill in some of these blanks. Can you identify the shape? Hopefully you know it's a pyramid, just because that's the title of this slide. And what kind of base does it have? Is it a square or is it a rectangle? It would be a square. So let's review the formula for surface area, capital B plus perimeter times slant height divided by 2. So take a look at your picture here. Can you identify the base and the height of the square bottom? Base, 6.4 centimeters. Height, also 6.4 centimeters. Capital B stands for the base area. So do you remember how to find the area of a square? If you do the calculations right, it would be 6.4 times 6.4 equals 40.96. Now, do you remember how to find the perimeter of the square? Since each side of a square is the same length, the fastest way is to take one length, 6.4, multiply it by 4, and you get 25.6. And the slant height is 6.1. The slant height is located right there. So if we apply those numbers and our formula and quickly do some calculations, our surface area of this square pyramid will be 119.04 centimeters squared.